On the factory key, we're gonna hit the lock button 3 times. So we're just gonna hit lock, lock, lock. You'll see parking light confirmation. Give it a few seconds, she'll fire up just like that. So the first panel we're going to pop off is going to be the dash end cap here. So just go ahead and grab it down here at the bottom and it'll pull straight off. Next, what we're going to do is remove the dash panel down here, the knee bolster. So now that we have the screws out, just go ahead and grab it right here on the left and pull straight back, and you will see that it will loosen the dash up. And then you're just going to go ahead and work your way over to the right, and this whole panel will come right off just like so. The next thing we're going to do is remove the tilt lever right here. It basically just pops right out. What we're going to remove now is this bottom plastic steering shroud, and this is the last panel that we need to remove. So what we're going to do is take a panel popper screwdriver and just go right in here and put a little leverage on it, and this whole piece will just pop right on out. And you guys are going to notice that there's a black box with the white label that comes from around the cylinder. This is your transponder ring. So what you're going to do is unplug this little connector here, and you simply push that little tab in and pull it out. So this is what it looks like. So then you're going to take the portion of our harness that matches this connector, and you're simply going to plug the OEM connector into our wiring harness, and then plug the other end of our harness right back into that transponder ring up here. The next connector that we're going to install is going to be the one right below that transponder ring. It's this one right here. Pull that connector out, and this is what it looks like. So then take the other portion of our harness, and the same process. You're just going to plug the factory connector into our harness, take the other end of our harness and plug it right back in like that. And we're going to zip tie it down and along here where the factory deal is, and then we're going to come out right here to the left of this metal dash brace. All right, the parking light wire is at the BCM, and we're going to go right back in here in the dash, and you can kind of see the connectors right here. You'll notice that we have a green connector on the top, then we have a white, then we have a blue, and then they keep on going down. We need that second one, which is the white one. Let me unravel some of this tape right here, and then I'll show you where the wire is at. Please refer to the module programming video for the most up-to-date programming procedure, and also for proper connection of the wiring harness to the module. All right guys, we got the Silverado all finished up. So on the factory key, we're gonna hit the lock button 3 times. So we're just gonna hit lock, lock, lock. You'll see parking light confirmation. Give it a few seconds, she'll fire up just like that. And then you'll get parking lights front and rear if you guys hook the parking light wire up. This guy actually has a factory remote start, but it stopped working. And I guess the dealer wanted way too much to fix it. So here we are putting one of our plug and play kits in. So the door's gonna stay locked during remote start since you guys are hitting lock button 3 times. So the doors are locked, the truck is secure. We're gonna go ahead and hit unlock, and we're gonna jump in. Look at that, 33 degrees. I just put this in outside in 33-degree weather. It was not fun filming the video, but well, you can usually do these in about 10 minutes or so. But anyway, the heater's on to where we left it. We got the keys. There's nothing in the truck here. So the process to get in and drive away is to put the key in, turn it all the way forward to ignition, and now when you tap and release the brake pedal, you might hear a click under the dash, and now it's converting from remote start over to key start. So now we can just put it in drive, and away we go. If you guys hit the brake before we actually put the key in the ignition and turn it forward, it's gonna kill the truck as a safety precaution, so just keep that in mind.